What is going on, you guys? It's your boy Johnny back again with another video. If you guys are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on none of my videos. So today, guys, it's been a while since I did something to the truck, and today we are going to do something to the truck. So stay tuned so you guys can see what is going to be going down today. I know I went to Mexico. If you guys haven't seen those vlogs, those Mexico vlogs, I'll leave links down below. And ever since I got back, I haven't really done anything to the truck. So I think it's time to do something to the truck, you know. Like I said, we're gonna get something done to the truck. I'll tell you guys obviously what we're gonna do to the truck right now. So let me actually show you guys. So we're gonna roll these fenders. So for those of you that don't know like about trucks or whatever, we're gonna basically roll these back. Well, I'm not sure if you could really see, but I was burning out the other day, as you guys can see. But yeah, we're gonna basically roll these back. Well, if it could focus, roll these back. See? But anyways, we're gonna roll these back all the way back to make space for a bigger wheel. So I don't know what size wheel I'm gonna get. You guys will have to stay tuned to see what kind of wheels I'm gonna be getting. But comment down below what size wheel you guys think I'm gonna get. Don't skip ahead. Just comment down below and let me know what size tire wheel, or yeah, what wheel size I'm gonna get. Cause these are 20s. So, and I'm gonna roll the fenders. So that's what we're actually gonna be doing today. We're gonna be rolling these fenders right here, so we can make space for the bigger wheels I am going to be getting. If you guys haven't stayed up to date with my truck, I have quite a few videos of me modding it and everything. So if you guys haven't checked them out, go check them out. Like I said, I'll leave links down below. And I'm actually gonna go drop it off today. And I don't know what it is, but like I feel like whenever I have to do something, everyone's always busy. Excuse my hand, it's from the fender, but every time I have something to do, like my family is busy, like my mom, and like they're always busy, you know. Like today I have to drop off the truck at like 4, which is like in a bit right now, and no one's home. So like I don't got no one to give me a ride back, and I don't really have friends. So like your boy has to get an Uber back. So I mean, we'll just see how it goes. Whatever, we'll see how it goes. But that's what we're doing today. We're gonna drop off the truck to get the fenders rolled, to get ready for these wheels. I'm telling you guys, these wheels are gonna be sick. It's really gonna change the look of the truck. I think they're sick, but stay tuned, guys. I'm probably gonna stick both videos together. Like I said, I'm gonna stick both of me rolling the fenders, and me getting the wheels. So keep watching to see what wheels I end up getting. But I'm sure you guys will like them. Make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. All right, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Let's go. Just like that, we are off to go get this truck dropped off, to go get the fenders rolled. Like I said earlier, this is my work hat, so if it's kind of dirty, my bad. But we're gonna get left onto West Santa Fe. I have the GPS on, but we're gonna, like I said, today that's all we're doing. That's all we're doing today. We're just gonna get the fenders rolled. We're prepping for the new wheels. Turn right onto West Greenway Road. We're prepping for the new wheels. Sorry, like I said. But we're prepping for the new wheels. Like I said, stay tuned so you can see what these wheels are gonna look like. I think they're gonna look badass. But stay tuned, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Like, comment, everything. Like I said, I got more content, guys. I got more content. Just be patient with me. I know I haven't really been active on my channel. Like I said, it's because I got back from Mexico and I kind of just like, you know, took kind of like a little break. But we're back on it, guys, and stay tuned with these new wheels. So stay tuned. Let's go. Yo, y'all see all this dust out here? This fucking AZ weather is like bipolar. Look at all that. What the fuck? Oh hell no. Okay, guys. What the fuck? We're about to. Okay. Damn. What the hell? Whoa. Okay. Wish me luck, guys. Hopefully I make it. Alright, you guys, so we're currently stuck in traffic, as you guys can see. Like, fuck. And look at all that dust. That shit's crazy. There's like a bunch of dust here. But we're literally stuck in traffic, guys, right now. So I don't really know if I'm gonna even get there on time. I was supposed to be there at 4. It's like 3:40. But with this traffic, I don't know, guys. Alright, you guys, we finally made it here where we're gonna roll the fenders. So like I said, stay tuned for these wheels, guys. Stay tuned. I know I've been saying it a lot through the video, but I promise you guys, these wheels are gonna look sick on this truck. I feel like it's gonna change the whole look of the truck. I think that's all the truck really needed, some wheels to make it look, you know, yeah, al 100, yeah, you know, something good. Yeah, pa que se mire pues al 100, no? I mean, it still probably needs like a sunroof, and I might add the HD bumper pad later on, but like the wheels, like that's just the main thing that I wanted to get out of the way. And yeah, so like I said, stay tuned for these wheels. Like I said, I'm gonna drop it off here, probably pick it up sometime later today or tomorrow, and then go pick up the wheels after. So stay tuned, guys, stay tuned. Let's go. You're just patiently waiting for my Uber, bro. The focus is 15 minutes ago. It's supposed to be here in like 15 minutes, but homie is not here. What is going on, you guys? I just got a message from the guy. I know it's in like a couple days after, actually weeks, because I had to wait for these wheels to come in. So they're not the wheels I originally wanted, but I think the ones I'm getting are actually way better. So and not a lot of people have them. The wheels I was gonna get, people were starting to get them and stuff. So the wheels I'm actually getting are kind of exclusive. Not many people have them yet. They literally just came out. So stay tuned so you guys can see these wheels. We're about to head out. Ahí está la mama whiskeys, if it could focus. Last time seen these SS wheels on it. But hey, if you guys want to buy them, hit me up though. I mean, I might sell them, or I might just keep them as stocks. Like, so when I want to go back to stocks, just in case, or when I want to burn out or whatever. But hey, we're about to head out. Let's go. Fuga. These are the wheels, guys. Brand new y todo, mira. Todo el show. Here to Chapo de Antera. Make sure to hit them up. I know I already showed you guys the wheels. We're about to get them on right now. Que andamos. Getting the truck on jack stands. Let's go. Get ready, guys. We're going in. Think these bitches gonna fit on there? Shit. Cut. They're the first ones on right there. Woo. Got the rears on. We just gotta work on the front. Ahorita. Ahí está. Lowered a little bit on the back, not fully down, pero hay más o menos. They just got the fronts in too. Hey you guys, ahí quedó la mamalona. I'm gonna be tucking fours. Alright, si nomás quedó la mamalona, guys. Let me know what you guys think of the new wheels. Let me know. Let me know in the comment section si les gusta o no. Ahí quedó la mamalona. 24s. Ahí está. I thought ride quality was actually gonna be worse. I think it's actually better. I don't know, cause since they're what the fuck? Okay, since they're bigger wheels, like I guess my frame isn't too much on the ground, so like I don't really hit that much on the bumps. Cause right now I actually went over some bumps, and it actually wasn't that bad. I didn't hit the frame or anything. But hey, let me know down in the comments if you guys like the new wheels. I'm actually the second person in AZ to have these wheels. They literally barely came out, so I'm the second person to have them. It's pretty crazy. I mean, but let me know if you guys like them. Ride quality, like I said, ride quality is not really that bad. I thought it was gonna be worse, and to be real, like they actually do not feel that heavy. Actually, I thought they were gonna feel like much heavier, but they're not they're not bad, you know, they're good. But yeah, guys, I'll keep you guys updated once I'm home, and I really hope you guys like these new wheels. Let's go. All right, you guys, we just made it home, and damn, guys, this thing looks, I think it really sets off the look of the truck. I'm looking at it right now, and damn, guys, check it out. I know you guys already seen it, but this shit, oof, just looks different now. This shit's badass. I don't know if I told you guys, but they're 24s all around. It has more of a lip in the back, but let me know what you guys think. If you guys like the wheels or not. Shit, I love them, but this thing just looks sick already. I don't know. Really happy with the way they look. Look at that. Woo. Damn, it's crazy. I never really thought I'd see the truck like this, but damn, I'm just speechless right now, honestly. That just comes to say, you know, hard work pays off, guys. I think I should do a video of what I actually do, like for work. I'll keep you guys updated on that. Comment down below if you guys wanna know what I actually do for work and stuff. But yeah, guys, anything's possible, guys. Like, never thought I'd see it like this, sitting like this, the truck. Like, when I first got it, I just thought, like, you know, I was just gonna lower it. I knew I was gonna lower it, but I never actually thought I was gonna get to like this point. So like, it just comes to say, like, you know, dreams do come true, you know. Hay que echarle ganas, you know. But yeah, whew, let me know down below what you guys think. Like I said, I'm speechless right now. And yeah, she looks good, she looks good. What do you guys think? You think she looks good or not? But I'll catch you guys on the next one. It's your boy Johnny. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe, guys. I got some more content coming for you guys soon with this truck. I mean, damn, I'm just speechless. I can't even talk right now, but peace, guys. Till next time, it's your boy Johnny. Make sure to subscribe. Catch you guys on the next video. Let's go.